Hello, boys and girls. Now that you've learned a little bit more about the different measuring tools that we're going to be using today, let's take a look at your problem set. So go ahead and open up to page 584. We're going to skip over the front page today and move right on to number 1. So our directions say, choose the best tool for measuring the real object, then measure and record the length or distance. So if you're with me right now, we're taking a look at this page. So remember, our 3 different measuring tools are an inch ruler, a yardstick, and a measuring tape. The first object they want me to measure is the length of a book. So here's my book that I chose. Looking at this book, it's a nice flat object, so I definitely don't need the measuring tape. It's not a very large item, so I'm going to use my inch ruler. I'm going to take my ruler, make sure I'm on the inch side, measure it. And I found that this book is 11 inches long. So on my problem set, go ahead and fill that in. I used an inch ruler and it's 11 inches long. Our next object is a cup. And it says we're trying to measure the distance around the cup. So here's my Cowboys cup. And we're trying to find the distance all the way around it. Well, this is definitely a curved or rounded item. So we're going to use the measuring tape. Here's my measuring tape. I'm going to make sure I put it on the cup, hold it down with my finger so it doesn't slide away. I'm going to go all the way around. Look at that. 11 inches. So I used a measuring tape this time, and the distance around this cup was 11 inches. Our next object is the length of a chalkboard. I don't have a chalkboard in my house, but I do have this whiteboard behind me. So let's take a look at it. It is a larger item. Could I use a ruler? Yeah, probably, and it wouldn't take very long. But I'm going to use my yardstick for this one since it's a little longer. When I line it up, look at that. This whiteboard is exactly 1 yard. So I used my yardstick and I found it's 1 yard long. Make sure you're filling these in as we go. The next object that I need to measure is the length of a marker. So this time it's asking for the length of a marker. I'm not finding the distance around it, I'm finding the length. So it's a smaller object and it's nice and straight. So again, I'm going to use my inch ruler. When I line it up, starting with the 0, I find that my marker is about 5 inches long. So I used a ruler and I found that it's 5 inches long. All right, the next object I'm supposed to measure is the distance around a globe. I don't have a globe, so I grabbed something that was shaped like a sphere, similar to a globe. I grabbed my basketball. So again, this is a very round item, shaped like a sphere. So we're going to use that tape measurer. I'm going to grab my tape measure again. It's probably easier with 2 people, huh? Let's see. It's about 29 inches. So we used that tape measure and we found that the basketball is about 29 inches around the distance. The last object they wanted us to measure is the length of our classroom wall. We're not in our classroom. However, the last time I was there, I double checked it just to make sure. Obviously, this is a much longer item, so we're going to use the yardstick. When I measured our wall, I found that our wall is 9 yards long from one end to the other. So go ahead and fill that last one in. It's 9 yards long, and I used a yardstick. Make sure you put all the correct labels on your measurements based on which one you used. Go ahead, finish the last page of your problem set and your homework, and submit them in your portfolios. Keep up the great work.